kum shibenta ban ai men sim bat ban pensul shushu yakirang ilakai football kan nongjiri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Riboy District ki balawan ra nam bat buram ya kajala baro kawai lengba ka jingla jungki ban khuri ka nam la do hakalampung 63rd under 15 Sorboto Mukherjee International Cup kabala penlong ha Bengaluru nakaliang ulat kajala UCH Vijaya Shankar hakasin ka baningkong kata haka arterik nailar arjar pusaw ulap penlong ya ka program penkop buram nakabenta kini ki rangile kai hapo ka drobar hall jong ka yingsa jungu hagani ka singi no lat lawani simenta lang do mentirang ba ka jalao konrad ki sangma uba shakler warjiri menteri bedikmi yaknat sport and youth affairs u MLA kamauti ba Charles Marangar baderu chairman ka school managing committee u BD Tiwari IAS commissioner secretary ka Sorkar jala ki wei ki he officer ka Sorkar jala nolor ki wei ki bla sha khot ngobha hagani ka singi ulat ka jalao la samru ik sernot ki momentus nalor ka songpisa ka ba silak ringkat sakani ka kanhun haba jingkran hakani ka singi UCH Vijaya Shankar ula kentu ya ka Sorkar ban Thaw ka committee ban Kyntiew ya ka sport ka jala la ka long hakanu ka benta da ka baong ba ka sport ka long ka benta ka don ra shibun ka jimanto ya ka jala nalor ka taw lo ongru ba kirang ila ka ki don kam ka jingkersha na ka Sorkar ban wan ra nam bat buram om tang ka jala hanrei habaro ka wei kari
this kind of government and this kind of environment in Meghalaya it is only related to football. What about the rest of the other activities related to sports? We have to give same importance to the rest of the other sports activities also. If at all he is able to play football, it is okay. Somebody is interested in volleyball. Somebody is interested in kabaddi. Somebody is interested in some other sports. Each and every angle, whatever to be supported, because ultimately our sports minister told, they are the assets of the nation. They are the real assets. So in that way, you being a young man as a chief minister here, great listener, as I come here as a governor of Meghalaya, I used to observe you, your body language and your commitment, your involvement. I used to observe, you are a great visionary. I have seen your father also when I was in Parliament during 98. By that time, he was the Speaker of Lok Sabha. When Atal was become the Prime Minister, by that time I was in the Parliament as a Parliament member. I have seen your father also. Such a wonderful personality, I can say. Legend, I can say. Authority, I can say, your father. He was able to control the whole Parliament in one word. You are coming from that family. Now, entire state is in your hand. You think how Meghalaya should be. How Meghalaya should be. How our generation should be. What is to be given? What is the actually need of the society? Need of each and every children. If at all it is possible, if farming committee take the report, rest of the summer, 1 or 2 activities, you stop it. You promote this kind of activities. This is the real asset, I tell you. This is the real contribution you can give it to the Meghalaya. Getting an award or getting a medal is not an easy thing. It is not a joke. It is not a fun. It needs a lot of dedication, commitment, concern, either individual or collective. Then only it is possible. When it is possible, particularly in this school, why it should not be possible to the rest of the other schools? What is their commitment? Rest of the other schools. What are their activities? How they are being promoted these kind of activities? Each and every school, we have to monitor. We have to monitor. Not only quality education. Apart from that, other activities also we have to monitor. If at all you are able to have, in the coming under 4 or 5 years, I can say, even at any level, international tournament, if at all anybody is capable to win, that trade definitely goes to Meghalaya. You create definitely, if at all you mind, definitely you can create that history. You create that history. Now you have created history also. This is also history. It is a historical moment. It is not an ordinary thing. You have created history. Further also you can create history. You should be the example for that. That great now, it goes to you. In coming days also, whatever the possible achievement we are going to do, rest of the actual credit goes to anybody, they should go to you. They should go to you. In that way, you think and keep on putting your effort.
Nakaliang mentirang ba ka jalau lo ong bak sorkar jalahi haki news nem ki baladab kala penut kambun ban nujor bat ki sausan nem ki baladab haka sport kanang ban ai men siem ki babun kum kini ki samla ki badon ya kasab haka ni kaliang.
Sir, often many people ask me, especially our friends from the press, they ask me about all the money and the funds we spend to develop sports. I think in the last 6 to 7 years, we have built and sanctioned, and some are ongoing projects, the amount and the number of schemes that we have sanctioned in the last 7 years, so it is more than what was sanctioned in all the last 45 years put together in sports. That's how much we have spent in the infrastructure and the number of sports facilities we have created, and you will see it everywhere. In the last 52 years of our state, we have had Meghalaya games only 5 times in our states. Only 5 times. 2003 and 2000 something. And the rest were in the last 6-7 years of our government, sir. So out of 5 Meghalaya games, 3 were held during this government's time, sir. And Meghalaya games was forgotten. Nobody wanted to host it. Everybody thought it was a waste of time, waste of money, and not a lot of interest was given. The different associations, some of them are here right now, I can see 1 or 2. So they would never get any funds to organize any tournament, be it the football associations, be it the basketball association, the badminton association. For whatever reason, sir, I'm not here to blame anybody. No money was given to, or very less money was given to the different associations to conduct different sports functions and organizations and competitions. Because without funds, they can't do it. In the last 5 to 7 years, I think what we have spent in these different organizations is far beyond what was spent in the last 45 years of the state, sir. That's how much money we have spent in different organizations. We started what we call scholarship for students who get medals for us at the national level. So I'm sure these students also will be beneficial of that, sir. So we started supporting our students and our sports persons who were winning and getting medals and laurels for the state by giving them scholarship, which has never happened before in our state, sir. Amount may not be very big, sir. In a year, about 70,000, 80,000 rupees. But it is some way to support their passion in sports. And so the reason why we do this, and this is what I want to come to. The reason why we do this is, yes, we love to see medals. Who doesn't like to see medals? We all want to be winners, and we all want to see more and more medals coming in. But sir, I think apart from the medals, I think what the team manager said, one line which really stuck to my mind, sir, and I really was more satisfied than this victory, is what that one line he told me. He said, or he told us, and he said that the semi-finals was the most difficult match. And in that semi-finals, the true character of these players came out. They decided to fight. They did not give up, and they were determined to win. So this is the satisfaction of all the work that we have done in the last 7 years, is to see the character built in these students. Yes, winning and losing is part of life. We will win, we will lose. But everything you do in sports builds your character. The time you spent in that ground, that mud ground, with all the challenges, has made you what you are. The difficult situation under which you have managed to practice and become what you are today shows the character in you. And that is the biggest satisfaction for me. Yes, sir, winning the medal is important. But seeing each one of these youngsters become a fighter, become a person who wants to work towards victory, working hard, sometimes learning how to accept defeat in life, but moving on and learning from your defeats. So I think that is the real investment that we are making. Building the character of our future generation. And that is what sports does. And that is why we are investing. That is why we are spending money to ensure that this character that they built through the sports that they're doing right now will help them in their career in life tomorrow. Anything that they do in life will reflect the character that they built through this tournament. So I'm so happy, sir, today to see that. And yes, of course, I do hope we get more medals also. So obviously building character is important. Winning medal also is equally important. So I do hope that we will be able to achieve more of that. To our footballers, I'm so proud of you. We're really, really, really proud of you.
1,000 rupees.
Kun ba iet, ngiju syat jingba man lah kasngi. Hatu ngila aju perkat bah. Kabam kabang ngibam katain em ya kamet jungi.
Mai ngiju ba mi kini kiju ke jingba man lah kasngi. Balik kini ke jing keli minta.
Katu kedukaan Russian ba penyai ubah raju. Uya tu yang ah.
Nrai man kapor, yem juyo ay kajingbam ki batay kamet. Ki balong kadaw jong kajingpang anemia at kajing brie jong kikman.
Ba, kumnungan lai na kini kijing stam.
Kong nangkong pide ban penmelin ban bam ya ki jingbam ki bapha hakrukam bam jongpi bunsen ki longkmi bat ki khulung khana yo ya kini ki jingpang namar kim yo ya ki jingbam bantei ya kamen ka sorkar kelas dang ya ka food fortification ha ukhau ata mlu kadut bat ka umpnyang bam baro kindon ki jingbam ka bantei kum ka iron folic acid vitamin B12 iodine zinc vitamin A bat vitamin D. Yakini baro kila banyo na kijingbam badi hakidukan ration.
Kata kamut ngidan yu kau 45 pabyang bhabat ngi.
Mai, uni kau tu bai biang ba. Pitharai baro kin bang ban ba mi uni.
Kun ka fortification jong kau kanum khata ya ka jingmat ba ka jinglong jingman jong kau.
Mai, karukam ban bu ya ki ba karukam shet pat kala ban pher.
Om dai kun. Om dan jinga pher la da dai ha karukom bu ni rukom shet. Kum ba fi ju shet yu kau ba fitien. Kum ju ru la shet ya uni u kau.
Okum ta.
Te kun ka jingbam ba ai ka kwat ka khya bat ka ba ai bor ya ka met ka phat bat ka bor per khat jungi hatu dang dan ki jingbam ba kham bha ban ya uni.
Hoit mai, fikran ya ka ba dei sisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.